everyone. I would like to record this one because I would like to introduce you some new things. Yesterday I was talking about the teasing of the Agent Copilot. So today we are introducing that. So you go into this one, you go to Docs, and there will be a link here, llms.txt. You click on this one. It will lead you to a file. This one is actually the composite knowledge of our Copilot agent. We distill the knowledge into a file. What you can do is that you can right click on this one, you save as, and then it will start to download the file, just waiting for it to complete. You go into aistudio.google.com, you upload the file, and I will tell to the agent that, hey, remember. Okay, and I will make sure that I'm using Gemini 2.5 and I click run. It will take some time for the AI agent to done. Actually, it's going to allow you to chat to the knowledge that we distill from our agent Copilot in a way that it can help you to plan, to validate the workflow that you would like to build and instruct you how to build. And because it is managed on the AgenticFlow.ai/llm.txt, so this file is continuously improved by us. We give some more instruction as well so that your AI can be more smart. You can put that into Google AI Studio or maybe ChatGPT on Claude. But the reason why I'm suggesting you to using Google AI Studio is that because of the contact length. So Gemini and so model library of Google having 1 million contact length. And this is kind of like only one that can fit the knowledge base that we gave to the agent. And it's around 673,000 tokens. This is a lot of knowledge in here. Okay, so this is already token reveal and this one. So it say help me to create workflow that scrap website company on LinkedIn and then write phone email personalized to them and set it as a draft in my Gmail. For example, this one, so I will click run, and the agent itself, because it have the access to 10,000 action and 2,500 MCP, and all of the action that we have, the template that we have, so it should have the solid understanding of what is possible with AgenticFlow high level, so that it can consult you how to build your first AI agent or workflow with AgenticFlow. One of the other use case is maybe you have the make.com or NAN JSON. You can drop it here and then ask it like, how can I build it with AgenticFlow? Let's see what it does. Okay, so it will ask me to configure the input with LinkedIn company URL, recipient email, and also your product service summary. So it's going to be text. This is like scrap company. So it asks me to using the file cross scrap, and also it's going to using the API file MCP where needed. It's even like referring to what is question that I answer, the configuration with the URL, the output with the result.data. Then it will ask me to using the node type LM in order to put some configuration. If even like giving me the prompt that I can put into my LM action, or maybe you can use OpenAI, ChatGPT, or Claude Ask, or Google Gen AI. So I'm going to here and I will show you what does that mean. You go into the workflow and you create a new workflow from scratch. You say test, and what the agent was mentioning about is actually this name. It is LM, or if you go into, you said add ChatGPT, this is add ChatGPT. It can be open. When the AI was mentioning about OpenAI ChatGPT, it was mentioning about this action. Just that you equip the agent with the knowledge about our 670,000 token. We'll be able to give you a plan and instruct you how to build a workflow and so on. If you have some bug and so on, you can paste that. It can equip as well. We will continue to make it as a native, but I think some of you would like to have some sneak peek, so that's why I put it here. Have fun, and yeah, let me know if any question. Thanks a lot. Bye.